Alright, what's up, adventurers, lifers, whatever you are. I think I'm gonna change the name again. I hadn't decided yet. Hell, all I'm doing is boat fishing anymore anyway. Alright, I forgot to roll the intro, forgot to roll an outro. Me and Buck went fishing yesterday. Lone Star. I had a good a day as I've had in a long time. He had an awesome day. He's making a video on it too. I forget the name of his channel. I think it's Buck and Bass. I'm almost sure that's what it is. I'll have a link to it in the description. Those that hadn't already went and checked it out, go check it out, subscribe. Let's get him to 100 pretty quick, or he can start using other stuff. Alright, watch his videos. He catches fish, knows how to catch fish. You know, I just do videos. Alright, enjoy the action.
That's a good fish. Good fish. Took him twice to get it, and I didn't know what it was. And I yanked it, come back and get it again. Did you see that?
Was your line break?
Yeah.
Look at Buck having this fucking adventure.
Still a fish. No, I wasn't letting him get away with that bait.
What, about 2 pounds?
Yeah.
Good fish.
Wow, I will. Man, I've been mad I lost a $17 bait. We done found a honey hole. We're going to have to back this off.
Me and Buck and everybody figured a pattern out. They ain't giants, so they bigger than they were the other day out here. Get her back in the water. As soon as it hit that grass, it just pounded shit out of it. Come on, you little fucker. Come on, little fucker. Yeah. Yeah. Huh? I'm not gonna call it smashing them, but I'm gonna call us at about 7.5 pounds right now. These fish are all better than what we was catching last time, or you was catching last time.
Yeah, sucker.
Buck killing them big ones.
Hey, he hit it once and I missed him.
Stupid.
Huh?
Stupid.
Hold my fish. I'm going to change my battery. I didn't think I was going to catch anything. That is stupid, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Buck catching some fat days today.
He swallowed that. He choked it. And the last one, he choked it.
We're over 5 now. We got a limit. We're probably at about 12 or 14 pounds. I'd settle for one like I caught out at Welch the other day. And borderline good.
He hit it like he's supposed to. Yeah. Look at that, buddy. Catch you later.
Alright, hope y'all liked the video. Had a pretty good day. We only fished about half a day, probably about 4 or 5 hours. We were both doing stuff, busy all day. Went into after lunch. Caught a few fish. Like I say, y'all go check out Buck's videos. Takes him longer to put them up. He's still working with primitive equipment. Encouraging, because he catches fish, I don't. I just fish. Alright, if it sounds like I'm hollering at y'all, sorry. I got a mic now. May take a little bit of getting used to. Alright, y'all know what to do right here. Like, share, subscribe, and we up out of here.